shit'll get real, and that city get still. No, that shit'll get real, and that city get still. No, that shit'll get.
Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video. Everybody have been wanting me to do an eyebrow tutorial, so I'm going to do that right now. First of all, and I like this because it has a spoolie on the end, so I can brush out my eyebrows. So basically, when doing my eyebrows, I do a line underneath and I do one above. But I'll tell you about that when I get up there. Let me show you. And I do like light strokes and just basically underline and follow my bottom line. So I get to the top, right, and I brush them down. I brush it down. And I do the same thing to the top that I did to the bottom, but brushing it down just makes it a lot more easier to find your line. And so another thing, I don't know, I can't stress it enough. Like, I'm sorry, it's kind of not focusing the right way, but do not start from the beginning of your eyebrow. Do not go to the front and fill in from here on back. And so right here, you just do light lines upward. Okay, so now that we're done with the pencil, you're gonna take your concealer, and I don't squeeze it out like everybody else do, I'm sorry. And so I spread out my little spoolie, make sure it's flat as possible. Ooh, excuse me, I'm sorry. And I'll squeeze it out right here, and then I just take it on the brush and I put it on both sides. So you take it and you follow the line again. And sometimes I bring it down as I, you know. And yeah, like that. Show you with the foundation, and over here I'm going to show you with the concealer on both ends. So that's foundation once again on the top, and concealer is on the bottom. I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to blend it out. And you see? And then take it and blend out the top. Since this is foundation on the top, I'm gonna pat some of it And so it won't have this little boxy feel. I'm gonna show you what I do, because I don't like the boxy feel. And some people do their eyebrows like that, but in my opinion, if you do your eyebrows boxy, you can't do eyebrows. Take your spoolie and blend out the front. That way it won't have that boxy feel. And yeah, that is my eyebrow with foundation on the top. Okay, so now I'm putting, this is the concealer, I'm putting it on both sides. We blending it out with the brush. So I'm gonna be boxy. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please tell your friends and family members to subscribe. And yeah, and it's gonna be right here in this corner. It's gonna be a little heart. So thank you for subscribing. Please have a good rest of the day, and yeah, so I'll see you in my next video.
Know that shit'll get real, and that city get still. Know that shit'll get real, and that city get still. Know that shit'll get real, and that city get still. Know that shit'll get real, yeah, bitch, yeah. That city get still.